Hedgehogs are very cute and attractive pets, and very often people will see them in pet shops and buy them immediately. In this video, we hope to share the maintenance of a hedgehog so that you understand what it requires and make a good decision whether or not to get a hedgehog as an animal companion. Hi, I'm Linus.
Hi, I'm Dia.
And welcome to our YouTube channel.
And now to YouTube channel. Little story.
Today we are starting a video series on animals. It would be good for anybody who loves animals, especially kids. It would feature the animals that we live with. We have relevant license from our wildlife department, Perhilitan. We will also feature animals that we have the opportunity to know through our friends, through wildlife parks, and through our adventures into the jungle. Hedgehogs are nocturnal animals. That means they sleep most of the day and are active mostly at night. However, if you have a pet hedgehog, you can gently wake him up during the day for some play, but also remember he needs his rest. Yasmin? Can you pet the hedgehog?
He's diving.
In the wild, hedgehogs are scavengers and typically hunts for a very high protein diet. In captivity, cat food makes a good substitute for this. Also, do add some fruits and vegetables. And hedgehogs are especially fond of insects like crickets and superworms. What happened to the hedgehog house, darling?
A mess.
Is it a mess?
Yes.
Why is it a mess? Take out the house? Yes, Theo? Let's take out the house. We do not want our kids just to play with their animals. They have to learn the responsibility that comes with having an animal friend. They need to learn how to clean and how to feed the animal. Take out the wheel first, okay? Okay. What does the hedgehog have?
Spikes.
Spikes? Can you touch a hedgehog from like that?
Be careful, Daddy. Our hand will be burned.
Nope, it makes it cool. I think this is a nice temperature. So we carry the hedgehog from the bottom. Can we grab him?
No.
Okay, pick him up. Okay.
Put him into boiling water.
No, we don't put him in boiling water. It is okay to bath with hedgehog in room temperature water. However, we like to warm the water up a little bit when the weather gets cold. Use either a mild, unscented hand wash soap or baby soap and a soft toothbrush to scrub the hedgehog.
Soap on the toothbrush?
Yeah.
I don't want to brush my teeth with soap. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. He's swimming pool. No, this is his papa.
Hello, baby.
We follow the tone, darling. Back to front to back. Okay, your turn. Who wants to go? Okay, wait. You need to.
Smallest to biggest.
Oh.
Where I get it first?
Okay, now it's your turn, Yasmin.
It's Yasmin's turn.
Okay, Ine, pass to Yasmin, please. No screaming. Come. Come lower, Yasmin.
That's my turn.
When kids are interacting with animals, you do need to supervise, and it is quite tricky to ensure that both the kids and the animals do not get stressed or injured. Kids can be very excitable, and in their excitement, they could cause injury to themselves or the animals. No, front to back.
Not back
darling.
to front.
Yeah. Front to back only. Front to back only. Nope, not the other way. Is the hedgehog funny?
My turn, you get a long time away.
What is hedgehog's name, darling? Who wants the white hedgehog dry? You can be white hedgehog dry. Okay. Come, be white. Where's the white with Daddy?
Just like a baby.
Just like a baby. Okay, come. Slowly, slowly. Slowly. Okay, what? Theo, come, what? Come.
Make you sleep.
Theo, you have to scratch him so he can sleep. Scratch his hair. Hey, scratch. Okay, scoop it out. I need to scoop out all the rubbish. Don't put under this one. We believe cleaning up after an animal will provide valuable lessons to a kid to learn responsibility and sustainability later in life. Wipe it dry. Wipe it dry. Is it dry? Break it. Can we just leave it as a break for Hedgehog? Can we leave it as a break for Hedgehog? Can or not? Some more. Okay, break it. Where's the hedgehog? Why you didn't pet the hedgehog?
We got enough.
Hi? Doctor, hi. Okay. Wow, are you carrying the hedgehog? Oopsie. Can mommy carry her? As to avoid injury to hedgehog, when a kid is holding a hedgehog, make sure you are nearby and make sure they do not carry it too high off the ground. Why are you putting your hand down?
So that he can step on our hand and we can feel his leg. Hedgehog, come here, Hedgehog. Come here, Hedgehog.
Is he playing with your hand? Oh, he's stepping on your hand.
He does not know what's our hand. Let's hide.
A hedgehog that is stressed will shriek and they will also flare their spikes. If the animal is stressed, it is good to explain to the kid to let the animal rest and to continue the activity of play later. What are you doing to hedgehog? Hedgehog, unfamiliar with humans, can easily be stressed. However, as you can see here, the hedgehog is totally fine with the interaction from our kids. What are you doing?
Ah, yes. How Hedgehog pick up the thing? Hedgehog shake. Thank you.
Okay, enough.
He's a spiky dog.
Okay, come. Time to put this house back. Okay, then we put this one. Come, put this one on top. Put this one on top. Okay, now get it all in. Get it all in for me. Come. Okay, all in. Okay, is that the ring? Is that the ring? Okay, come. We put the ring in. Okay. Wait. Okay, now Theo, test whether it's working or not. Is it working? Are you two hedgehogs? Are you running the wheel like hedgehogs?
No, this is the tire of the race car.
Okay.
See how it goes fast.
Oh! After washing and adding wood shavings, we add a house or a hide for him. We add an exercise wheel. We add a water dish and a food tray. Some people add a litter box, but as our hedgehog does not really use the litter box, we do not have this. We put our hedgehog in the library. This setup does not smell and only needs cleaning once a month. Thank you for watching this video.
We upload a new video every week. Please subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell notification icon below. Thank you.